So official audio has come out, and it's pertaining to the YSL Rico case. And I'm trying to figure out, bro, these females, they love the dudes that are getting in trouble. They love the dudes that are out there walking around, you know what I mean, with zero fucks. But when they get arrested, bro, why would the female be telling you to inform so that you could come home to your family? Doesn't everybody got a family or somebody that cares about them? Or doesn't everybody appreciate their own freedom? Like, a female saying that to you when you're fighting for your life, to me personally, I don't think somebody that cares about you as a person, because I'm pretty sure she was feeding off of the bullshit if there was bullshit even happening. I'm pretty sure that when you guys are out there doing what you're doing, allegedly, she was benefiting from it. So for somebody to look at you like that and tell you, bro, like, I think you should just throw in the towel right now and get them what they want, it doesn't make sense to me. Because first of all, you're putting his life in danger. Second of all, you're putting you and your family's life in danger. And secondly, if he ain't a square, how's he gonna survive? I don't think people are thinking when like shit hits the fan, and you can't have people think for you in those type of situations. Like, our show's completely opinion based, but at the same time, it's like common sense outweighs like the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, no matter what, I get it. You know, everybody wants to go home to their family. Nobody wants to be in these situations. But at the same time, that you're here for a reason. You guys are gonna fight this to the end. You're gonna stick it out. But fortunately, it doesn't work like that. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people who are gonna fold under pressure. There's a lot of people that are gonna say that they're 10 toes and they're gonna be talking to their lawyers behind your back. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, everybody is fending for themselves. It's a selfish world. It's a selfish life that we live. But at the same time, we still need to hear from Thug about everything that's going on. And like we heard from other podcasts, even like we heard Joe Budden say, it's the same shit. If he's planning on actually taking this to a next level within himself, he's not gonna let the public know what's going on, especially when you're fighting for your life right now. So I think that honestly, everybody needs to just take a step back, take in what's going on and try to put the pieces to the puzzle together. But at the same time, those phone calls that these people are playing in court and shit, remember, why are they not playing every single phone call? Why are they only playing certain phone calls? That's why they tell you, bro, people get sloppy when you're incarcerated. Very, 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 very sloppy. People start talking loose on the phone because they start saying like, oh, they ain't watching me. I've been in here for 6 months already. I ain't nobody. Like, no, bro, listen. Before every phone call, they tell you, these calls are being recorded. As such, you need to act as if every call is being recorded. If you don't want no problems with the phones, don't use them. Or if you're gonna, I'm telling you that right now. These people watch you every time you use the phone. They know how long you use the phone. They can stop you from using the phone if they feel like you are using the phone too much. So when people get caught on these phone taps and conversations from prison, I start asking myself like, bro, how do you think that you are gonna fly under something that they literally tell you before every phone call? This shouldn't be surprising that they're using this against him in a court case, because at the same time, like I said, why are they only using this one phone call? What if this just was a phone call of a frustrated woman that day? What if the next day it was like, you know what? Thought about it, fuck it, write it out. But hear what? You're never gonna hear those conversations, because what they're doing right now is trying to make them turn against each other, right? So nobody's vouching for anybody. We're saying, how come we're not hearing the other phone calls if every phone call is recorded? You can't pick and choose, but they can pick and choose when you're the one giving up the information, buddy. You're giving the information, so they've been waiting for you to say something, or somebody on your other side to say something so that they can use it in court. So to me, this is not surprise. This is a tactic that we knew would come out sometime, sooner or later. I just hope that it doesn't end up making, you know what I mean, a small 2-minute court conversation turn into a lifetime behind bars. Hit us up at Front Page Fades. Drop us a DM. Comment under the picture. Let us know what's up. All right? Peace.